ni'n mynd I ganu can fach, iawn. Mae lot o eiriau newydd. We've got lots of nice, juicy new words yn y gan yma, right? O, maen nhw'n neis, maen nhw'n neis. Wrth ddychwel tuag adref. Wrth ddychwel tuag adref. Do you remember what adref means? Adref.
Address.
We've had it in Dysgu bach yn mynd i'r coed. Na, dŵad adref home. Home, coming home.
Wrth is with? No.
Adref, home, iawn.
Beth oedd?
Beth ydi? O, wrth, as. As I return towards home, iawn. Me, as we return, or as one does, iawn, wrth ddechrau. Mi glywais, clywed? Beth ydi clywed? Clywed, here, yeah. So chi'n cofio, mi welais jacado, welais, we did, welais i'r cinema, welais I, film Titanic, welais I, I saw. So here we've got, mi glywais I.
And that's what he'll take away from this course.
Gwcw lon cwcw. Cuckoo. Yeah. Hapus, like llon hapus, another word for hapus. Oedd newydd groes i'r moroedd. Just crossed the seas, da iawn. I'r ynys fechan hon. Ynys, little islands, da iawn. To this little island, right? Don't worry too much am yr ystyr, just ymarfer I ddarllen, little practice I ddarllen. So, ar yn ôl I after me, wrth ddychwel tuag adref, mi glywais gwcw lon. Oedd newydd groes i'r moroedd. I'r ynys fechan hon. Da iawn, to this little island. Holiaki a holiakuku. Holiaki a holiakuku. Holiaki a holiakuku. Holiaki a iawn. Wedyn, a chwcw gynta'r tymor. Beth ydi cynta?
First.
Da iawn. Cwcw? The first cuckoo of the season. A ganau canu yn y coed. Da iawn. Ryn fath ar gwcw gynta. Ryn fath, the same as the first cuckoo. A ganodd gynta rioed, that first sang ever in the whole world, okay? Because canu is the word to sing, canodd is in the past tense, yes? So sang, yeah. Okay? So we try two verses for now. In between, we do holiaki kia, holiakuku. Ar ôl yr bennill gyntaf, da ni'n neud un cwcw. Wedyn ar ôl yr ail bennill, second verse, dau gwcw, and so on.
Yeah.
We've got more verses here.
How do we say that word T-U-A-G?
Tiag. Da iawn. O'r gore, ar eich traed, dwi'n meddwl, ar eich traed. Iawn. 1, 2, 3. Wrth ddychwel tuag adref, mi glywais gwcw lon. Oedd newydd groes i'r moroedd, i'r ynys fechan hon. Holiaki gia, holiakuku. Holiaki gia, holiakuku. Holiaki gia, holiakuku. Holiaki gia.
Well, you've got to finish it off.
Da iawn. No, we haven't finished. We've got a lot more. A chwchw gynta'r tymor, a gannau yn y coed. Rhifas ar gwcw gyntaf, a ganodd gynta'r coed. Holly ac i ci a holly ac ww ww ww. Holly ac i ci a holly ac ww ww ww. Holly ac i ci a holly ac ww ww ww. Holly ac i ci a Let's see if we can blind read. We'll go for it. Right, copia.
Is it in Braille?
Mi droes yn ôl I chwilio. I turned around to search a glasgoed yn y llwyn. So I'd searched in all the greenery and the shrubbery and the hedges and stuff.
It's coming through.
I saw.
I edrych da iawn rhwng y brigau. Mae brigau ar, so, coeden, canghennau, brigau.
Leaves. Twigs.
Twigs, yeah, da iawn. The little, what are they called, twigs? Like little branches.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, twigs. Okay. Iawn. Mi droes yn ôl I chwilio a glasgoed yn y llwyn I edrych rhwng y brigau ble roedd y delyn mwyn. Three gwcws. Holly ac I ci a holly ac ww 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 ww. Holly ac I ci a holly ac ww 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 ww. Holly ac I ci a holly ac ww 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 ww. Holly ac I ci a Mi gerddais nes y chwelyd o dan fy medw bren ac yno roedd y gwcw yn canu wrth fy mhen.
Singing on the head.
Yeah, by my head. Just there, by my head. Holly ac I ci a holly ac ww 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 ww. Holly ac I ci a holly ac ww 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 ww. Holly ac I ci a holly ac ww 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 ww. Holly ac I ci a O, diolch I ti gwcw ein bod ni yma cwrdd. Mi sychais I fy llygad ar gwcw aeth I ffwrdd. Pump gwcw?
What's going on here?
Holly ac I ci a holly ac ww 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 ww. Holly ac I ci a holly ac ww 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 ww. Holly ac I ci a holly ac ww 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 ww. Holly ac I ci a Da iawn, ardderchog.
What is so... It's an odd end note to end on.
Oh, it is. I thought it went
The
up.
Welsh is area, yeah, an odd note.
We should have harmonised it, shouldn't we? Holly ac I ci a ho.
Yeah. But where does it end, the note? I mean, because it's like playing the piano. If you did rise and seventh, you went and never finished the octave off. You went da 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 da, and I did that all day. Da 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 da. Eventually, you'd all go da. Finish the octave. And this one doesn't seem to have a.
Does it
last
not?
note, does it?
I'll have a word with him. It's been going a while.
Has it?
Been around a few years. Maybe I've just killed it. Killed the national institution. Righter. Ddoe, at your request, Nes I deipio, na, nath rhywun arall deipio, somebody else typed i fi, bless them. Rhain I chi. Did you get them? Nes I adael nhw ar eich setiau, left them on your seats, iawn? Y geiriau bach, the little words. Oh, I'll give you this one, geidi'r copi yma. So just pethau bach defnyddiol, just useful little things I chi, okay? So, o, meaning from. Have I got?
Do you get one?
I didn't get one.
I think I'm just wondering.
I've got a song.
No, I'm wondering if they.
Just left them on your...
Yesterday, innit? Yes.
Yeah. Mae'n iawn. Geidi'r copi yma, Steve, mae'n iawn.
Just this.
So, o, from, I, to, a, ac. Yeah. Felly, neu, achos, ond, I, yn, i'r mewn. Okay, so the little words, they're just handy I chi fedru siarad, right. Wedyn, nes I baratoi hwn I chi. Things like last week, tonight, tomorrow, last year. Yna. Iawn? A'r wyddor. Wyddor, alphabet, ie, dych chi wedi cael hwnna? A, B, C, Ch, D, U, E, U.
I don't have any of these sheets.
Do you not know?
I don't know where they are. I don't think I had them.
Mae'n iawn, mae gen I.
I think we need to five.
No.
Dyna ti. Sgen ti, oes? Iawn, gen I? Dyna ti. Iawn.
It's not got a hole punch on it, sorry, my file. If you can't be bothered to hole punch it, then I can't be bothered to put it in.
Right. Ydy'r rhain gynnwch chi? Ydy'r rhain gynnwch chi? Do you have these?
Has it got a hole punch
Cofio? Ydy.
on? I got it then.
Hwna. Chi'n cofio nes I roi fel workpack bach I chi? Iawn. Trowch I dudalen yma. You can borrow this, Cariad Iaith. Trowch i'r dudalen yma, a gyda'ch partner, dwi eisiau chi roi llinell o'r Gymraeg i'r Saesneg, yeah? So,
We've done ours.
oh, have you done? Oh, just on your own?
Yeah.
Adre?
Yeah.
Oh, Ddechach. Da iawn, o'r gorau. O, ddim y dudalen gynta, yr ail set. So, ewch ymlaen. Yna, iawn. So, mae'r rheina, da ni wedi wneud. Just flick forward tua 5 neu 6 tudalen, ymlaen i'r rhein. So, ymlaen. Dyna ni. Dyna ni. Ardderchog. Reit, felly, gyda'ch partner, dwi eisiau chi ffeindio yr un Cymraeg a'r un Saesneg a tynnu llinell. Wedyn, ar ôl I chi wneud o, after you've done it, os ydych chi wedi wneud e, dwi eisiau chi plygu'r papur, and you're going to test each other, iawn? So, I ddechrau, deud yr Gymraeg, say the Welsh, and you guess what the English is, and then try them the other way round. O'r gorau?
So to bark, speak gruffly.
Da iawn, so chi'n checio. Da iawn, syniad da.
Yeah?
Ia, fel, achos, chi'n gwybod beth I arth, anwen yr arth fawr. So, literally, you act like a bear. The verb comes from, like, to bear at them, like, arthio. Ooh,
So speak gruffly.
Yeah.
Amazing. It's good that one word actually means
Yeah,
10
it's
words
like
in English.
yn union, yeah, mae'n disgrifio, it's descriptive.
Okay.
Arthio.
To wake up Defro.
Defro.
There.
Wake up. Let's try and work a few out now. Ymddynwy'n is... We've heard that, haven't we? Ymddynwy'n is in the story, is it? To agree. Ymddynwy'n agree.
Dwi'n cytuno.
That's another one I've seen. And it's like smile, but it's not. Is it?
Dwi'n gwneud.
Grenade. Grenade.
I do. To do.
To do.
So it would be...
That's the easy one.
To burn.
Yeah.
Burnio.
Bernio, I would say, would be... Flosky. Flosky?
Just find it.
Flosky. It's to burn, Derek.
Crafu. Dwi'n crafu. Catino is to agree. Scratch. Crafu to scratch. Scrape. Catino is to agree. Catino? Catino, agree.
I don't know.
Lliffio. Soaring.
O'r gore! O'r gore. Iawn te. Felly, quick check. Beth ydy cadw? Da iawn.
We're out of the race at this point.
Da iawn. Okay.
Not the race this time.
He just said, I don't know, I just want this futile and relentless exercise to end.
Well, this feels like a relentless exercise to desist.
O'r gore. Gwneud. To make, da iawn. To make or to do. So dwi'n gwneud swper. Beth wyt ti'n wneud heno ma? Yeah, what are you doing tonight? Beth wyt ti'n wneud heno ma? Ymddwyn.
To behave.
To behave, da iawn. Ymddwyn.
You can't achieve.
I was just going to
Just go read it. Let's just go read it.
Cytuno.
To agree.
Cytuno, da iawn. So, I'm going to say things and I want you to agree with me. Fatha, dwi'n cytuno. Wel, mae'n braf heddiw.
Dwi'n cytuno.
Dwi'n meddwl ddylwn ni gyd fynd i redeg.
Ddim cytuno.
No, dwi ddim yn cytuno, da iawn. O, da ni'n cael hwyl ar Cariad Iaith. How do we say I agree?
Cytuno.
Dwi'n cytuno. Deffro. Beth ydy deffro? Wake up. Crafu.
To scrape.
Llosgi.
To burn.
Llosgi, yeah. To burn. Byddwch yn ofalus
Tell the one that doesn't drink in the night.
rhag chi losgi yn y nos.
Shot in the morning.
Rhegi a bytheirio. Rhegi.
To swear.
To swear, bytheirio. To rant, da iawn. Arthio. A bark or growl, yeah. So it comes from the word arth, bear. So it's like, you got it, you sussed it. Cnocio. Da iawn. Llifio. To saw. Llithro. Llifio. Llifio.
I was going off your actions there.
Yeah, okay. Gwisgo.
Swear.
A drink.
Adrodd.
To report or recite.
Yes. Go, lady, go, lady. Right. And a gwcw. How do we say go back to me? How do we say I saw?
Well, I see.
Da iawn.
I like to. We got to do next.
Da iawn. Leave that with me. Well, I see. So how do we say I heard?
Will I see?
Da iawn, glywais i, okay. Have we got any there? Right, so the pattern is, see this ice, yna?
Yep.
That just says that you did it in the past. Felly, guys, sit ydan ni. See, these are all our action words, all our verbs, iawn. Sit dyn ni, how do you think we say, so I'm slipping, or I slip, is dwi'n llithro. I have slipped is dwi wedi llithro. What about I slipped? I just did it the once.
Well, I slipped.
Da iawn! Llithraisi. Llithraisi. So all you're doing is you're dropping off that last vowel and you say, and you're using this ending. Ice. E.
We don't need the do. Do we?
The,
We don't need to say dwi
no,
wedi.
no. Because the ice is giving you the tense. It's like it happened in the
Then
past.
just say Cliffracy.
Llithraisi. I slipped. Llithraisi. I slipped. What about
What's the ice again?
ice? So what it does is it puts it in the past. So if you're saying dwi'n llithro, I slip or I'm slipping. Llithraisi, I slipped. Ddoe yesterday, for example, yeah? So how would I say, oh, I snuggled in, I swatiaisi. Da iawn, swatiaisi. I tried. Triaisi. I tried. Triaisi. I'm trying. You're trying.
Very tired.
I'm trying.
Trio.
Trio. I have tried. I tried. See the difference? It's exactly the same as in English. Like, I tried it once, I never did it again. Yeah, I tried.
Oh, that's a shame. Wasn't for me.
Try anything once. Iawn, beth ydi? I agreed. I agreed. Iawn, cytunaisi. Cytunaisi. I woke up. Da iawn. So, bore yma, dechreuais i yn gynnar ac yn fresh.
I woke up fresh and good.
Yeah, early. I woke up early and I was fresh. Ynde, Tom?
Celwydd, like
Yes.
a mavis.
Yn union. Felly, I woke up. Ooh, I scratched. Da iawn, crafais i, da iawn. Oh, I scratched my leg yesterday on that pole or whatever. Yeah, oh, crafais i, fatha. Oh, ddoe, oedd hi'n braf ac o'n i yn yr haul and I burnt. Llosgaisi. Llosgaisi, okay? So, you're dropping off the O, but in this case, you just drop off the last vowel. Llosgi, just drop it, iawn? Llosgaisi. Llosgaisi. I swore.
Regaisi.
Yn union. I ranted. Da iawn. I knocked. Da iawn. Beth am I am knocking or I knock? Da iawn. Beth am I have knocked? Dwi wedi cnocio. Beth am I knocked? Cnociaisi. 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 Da iawn. I saw, not as in I saw that, but I sawed. Can't speak English. I sawed, yeah. Llifiaisi. I sawed the wood. Yeah, exactly. Llifiaisi. Oh, ddoe, I wore a green dress. So, I wore gwisgaisi ffrog werdd. Yeah. Gwisgaisi. Iawn? Hapus? These wedyn, they don't end in a vowel. Dead easy. We just say, I sat. Da iawn. Eisteddais. Eisteddais. We just leave it as it is. Eisteddais. I switched off the light. Diffoddais i'r golau. I have switched off the light. Golau. Da iawn, da iawn. We've got a vowel here. So we're just, I slept. I gathered. I smiled. Da iawn. Oh, there are a few that are a little bit different. So there we say cadwais i, even though it's got a vowel on the end, but we still say cadwais i. But there are a handful that are different and a handful that are irregular.
Is
But
it the same if we're saying it to, like, like he, she?
no, they're slightly different. Yeah, different endings. So you asked me earlier, you said, oh, what's that then? What's that ending, you said?
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, he.
'Cause it's
So he sang. So canais i, canais ti, canodd e, canodd he.
Right.
Yeah, so slightly
Oh, say
different.
that again, that's nice.
Yeah.
Can you say,
Canais i,
can I see?
I sang. Canais ti,
You say.
canodd e, canodd hi, canon ni, canoch chi, canon nhw. So it's the whole pattern. But for now, just because very often you just talk about, you know, not that you talk about yourselves, but you know, you say like, oh, I've done this, or I'm going to know. So other words, you can apply that rule to popeth wedyn. So what about I danced? I posted. I smoked. Da iawn. I
Coffee icy.
I remembered. Da iawn. I swam. Nofiaisi. Da iawn.
I took a break for coffee.
Oh, coffee. Oh, as in
coffee
coffee.
ice is
Coffee
remembered.
icy. I remembered. Yeah.
Oh, I like that one.
Oh, you're too honest.
I'll remember that now.
And the only endings that are different are
Red egg.
Rhedeg ice.
so remember that heads, heads roll, so we get rid of them.
Pen.
Heads roll, and eggs smash like an egg. So we get rid of heads and eggs. Rhedais i, cerddais i. Iawn? So you get rid of two letters at the end wedyn. But that's just as an aside. Ardderchog, reit te. Ar eich traed, be nawn ni, gawn ni fynd I fan a rod? Neu ti eisiau fi just symud y cadeiriau nôl?
Can we take a coffee now? 11,
Is it?
10
Oh,
o'clock?
I didn't even see the coffee. Mae'n ddrwg iawn gen i. Break coffee 5 munud bach de. Felly, da ni wedi bod yn gwneud yr tenses. Reit, beth da ni'n mynd I wneud? Nawr. Pwer nawr. The power of now. Now. Pwer nawr.
It's a good book.
And poo is
Good
poo.
book.
Because we were doing the thing last night, didn't we?
You're right. Poo is
So
poo.
you can't say poo now poo.
No. Reit, felly... Nawr, pwer nawr. Y dyfodol. The future.
Where do you dyfodol?
Nôl i'r dyfodol. Nôl, going back, nôl.
No dyfodol, back to the future.
Nôl i'r dyfodol, yeah.
Oh, so we can say that in filming.
Nôl i'r dyfodol.
Gloria.
Y gorffennol. Y gorffennol, the past. Reit te. Felly, ydych chi wedi gorffen eich coffi? Allwn ni symud y cadeiriau yn ôl, iawn, a symud eich ffeiliau a'ch papurau, achos dwi ddim eisiau I neb lithro, dwi ddim eisiau chi lithro. Na, yn union. Quick recap, iawn, quick recap. Cysgais I. Cysgais I
To sleep.
means I slept. Da iawn. So I slept, when did that happen? Where would you run to if I shouted cysgais I? You would all run to the past, iawn? Dwi wedi cysgu. Da iawn. Da iawn. Dwi'n cysgu. I am sleeping. Neu I sleep. I sleep, yeah, I sleep. Dwi'n mynd I gysgu. I'm going to sleep.
Y dyfodol.
Da iawn. Y dyfodol. Bydda i'n cysgu. I will be sleeping, yeah.
Well, that's in the future, isn't it?
Yeah.
I keep forgetting about that.
I will be sleeping. I will be sleeping. So, on a traditional language course, on a traditional language course, it would take you, so let me think now, it's 180 hours, right? 180 hours, the first year.
Is that how long we've been in?
It would take you 100, and this is like unit 52 out of 60. It would take you like 170 hours before you got to byddai'n cysgu, which is ridiculous. It's not difficult. I will be sleeping. You've just done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tenses there. Dim problem. And you know what they mean, and you use them, and you're 4 days in, which is why I suggest Peter works. Is that all? 4 days. This is day. Yeah. Yeah. So. Felly, dwi'n dweud gair, byddai'n dweud gair, I will be saying a word, a sentence, a byddwch chi yn camu, stepping, rhedeg i'r gorffennol, i'r presennol, present, neu i'r dyfodol, iawn? Yn ofalus. Bydd yn ofalus, Alice. Be careful, Alice. Bydd yn ofalus. Iawn, o'r gore.
Thanks, Chris.
Down Shaisi.
Yes.
Iawn, I'm just going to move this so nobody slips.
I'm following Caroline.
Let's just all follow Caroline.
Have you ever been stalked before, Caroline?
Byddai'n nofio.
Derek!
Derek.
I saw that. Whoa! Is he Derek then?
Dwi'n hoffi coffi. Byddai'n cnocio. Byddai'n cnocio.
I will be.
Yeah, I'll be knocking, byddai'n cnocio. Dwi'n gwenu.
Oh, wow, not possible. Don't know
Not possible.
Gwenais i.
Oh, that's it. I saw. Well, I see the problem.
I smiled.
Da iawn, I smiled. Nofiais i. Haha. Dwi'n nofio.
Now.
And swimming.
Byddai'n nofio.
We're going to swim.
Nofiais i. Dwi'n hoffi dawnsio. Byddai'n cloi.
I will be knocking. I'll be knocking.
Byddai'n... Da iawn, I will be locking. Oh, I know, you can translate. Da iawn, Tom, is a good one. You can translate the English, okay?
Well, we ought to translate it, then go to it. Otherwise, we know it when we translate it. Go to the tense, then tell you.
And then translate it. Diolch, Steve. Ardderchog. Dwi wedi gweld.
I have
Seen.
Da iawn. Seen, gweld. Da iawn. Dwi'n bwyta curry.
Yes! I am eating curry.
Da iawn.
I knew that one.
Sglodion.
Byddai'n rhedeg i'r parc.
I'm running in the park.
I will be running in the park.
I will be running in the park. Da iawn. Byddai. I will be. Da iawn. Cerddais yn y goedwig.
Oh, yeah. In the forest, eh?
I went for a walk in the forest.
Da iawn. Bron iawn. There's no went in there. I walked. I walked yn y goedwig. I walked in the forest. Da iawn.
In the forest, eh?
Byddai'n diffodd y golau.
I will be switching off the lights.
Yay!
In the forest, and then switch off the light.
Why are you so fresh?
Maen nhw'n hapus.
I'm happy.
Maen nhw'n hapus.
There you are.
Da, ia.
Chris.
Do we remember? Do we roi ti, mae hi, dyn ni, dy chi, mae nhw. Do we roi ti, mae hi, dyn ni, dy chi, mae nhw. Da iawn. I love the way.
Singing
singing that in my
Did
head
you?
today.
The whole of the production crew was singing it a few years ago. They were all like, oh. Okay, eisteddais ar y gadair.
I sat in a chair.
Da iawn, I sat on the chair.
Gadair, the chair.
Y gadair, the chair. Y gadair yn yr eisteddfod. Gadair yn yr eisteddfod. Dwi'n dawnsio salsa.
I'm dancing salsa.
Da iawn.
Snake lips.
Byddai'n canu can.
I'm going to
Sing a song.
Da iawn. Not I'm going to, but I will be singing a song. Da iawn. I will be singing a
in the
song.
forest, is it?
O, swatiais i yn y gwely.
I nestled down in bed.
Da iawn, chi.
Nestle down in bed, you look at you.
Byddai'n bwyta moron ac yfed gwyn. Da iawn, I will be eating carrots and drinking wine. Da iawn.
Unlimited diet.
Yeah.
Dwi wedi gweld Ioan ar y to.
I've seen Johan on the roof.
On the...
Roof, da iawn, ar y to, da iawn.
I think we may have pushed him over the edge, actually. I think he's tittering, he's about to go.
We've broken him.
He's
Sat on the roof rocking.
Okay, now
2 hours of lame.
dwi'n rhoi'r Saesneg. Dych chi yn rhoi'r Gymraeg. You're going to give me the Welsh this time, okay? A symud, and you're going to move round, okay? Felly, I am sleeping.
Dwi'n
cysgu.
Da iawn. I will be eating. Da iawn, byddai'n bwyta, da iawn. I ran.
Red dice.
Da iawn, rhedais i. Rhedais, not
I
wedi.
didn't drop the egg.
Okay, eggs smash.
I should have smashed the egg.
Da iawn.
Yeah.
I have locked.
Ready, Clyde.
Da iawn, dwi wedi cloi. So what you need there is every time you hear have, you know you need a wedi in there. Iawn, have. So I have locked,
Yes.
dwi wedi cloi. Whenever you've got a have in the English, you need a wedi in there, okay? So I have seen, dwi wedi gweld. I have nestled in. I nestled in. Da iawn. I swam. Da iawn. I have swum.
Dwi wedi
Is that correct English? I have swum.
Yeah.
I've swum. Let's go. Let's go. You knew what I meant. Iawn. I am singing. Da iawn. I will be singing. I have sung. I'm smiling. I am smiling now. Dwi'n gwenu, da iawn. I have smiled. Da iawn, dwi wedi gwenu. Yeah, I have, dwi wedi gwenu. And I will be dancing. Da iawn.
Derek's invented time travel here.
Bydda un, yeah. I'm speaking Welsh.
Dwi'n siarad Cymraeg.
Da iawn, dwi'n siarad Cymraeg. I will be speaking Welsh. Da iawn. I speak Welsh.
Siarad Cymraeg.
I have spoken Welsh. I spoke Welsh. Keep it. Da iawn. Siaradais i Gymraeg. Yeah, so you siarad, you leave it as it is. You stick the ice on ar ferchog. Da iawn. Very good work, guys. Iawn. Dewch a, well, you don't have to have a table, ond os ydych chi eisiau, dyn ni'n mynd i wneud dipyn bach o waith manwl, like detailed, ysgrifennu a cyfieithu, translation, right? So gyda partner newydd, eisteddwch gyda'ch gilydd, take a pew gyda'ch gilydd, a dwi eisiau chi gyfieithu, dwi eisiau chi gyfieithu, I want you to translate, dwi eisiau chi gyfieithu rhain ar bapur. Dwi just eisiau checio yn sydyn, iawn? Guys, yoo-hoo! Iawn. Dwi just eisiau checio, yoo-hoo! Checio'n sydyn bod popeth yn iawn. And check the details, okay, y sillafu. I am whispering. Dwi'n sibrwd. Da iawn.
Dwi'n wedi boita.
Dwi wedi...
Take a bow. Take a bow.
A dwi eisiau chi checio, guys, iawn? Dwi eisiau chi checio hwn. Dwi wedi. Pan mae gennym ni wedi, does byth apostrophe N. Either or, bob tro. Byth yn a wedi gyda'i gilydd, iawn? So, un glud, you only need one glue. Yn neu wedi, so dwi wedi, da iawn. I am going to sit. Now then. Nawr te.
Dwi'n mynd.
Dwi'n mynd, right?
Dwi'n mynd
So,
estate.
mynd, yeah. Pan dach chi'n gweld, when you see, dwi'n mynd i eistedd, iawn? Bydda i'n eistedd means what? I will be sitting, da iawn. Bydda I be, da iawn. Right, I have locked.
Dwi'n wedi
Cloi.
Da iawn. Dwi wedi cloi. I knocked.
Dwi'n nocio.
Da iawn, cnociais i. I have switched off the light.
Dwi'n wedi
Diffrodd y golau.
Dwi wedi diffodd y golau, da iawn. I will be sleeping. Da iawn.
Cysgu, yeah, it's on the board there.
Well spotted, Mr. Balsh. I smile, neu I'm smiling.
Dwi'n gwenu.
Gwenu.
Dwi'n gwenu.
I will be learning Welsh.
Dysgu Cymraeg. Dysgu.
Byddai'n dysgu Cymraeg. I woke up.
Oh, now then.
So, right, so the word is defro.
Defroes.
And what do? We knock off the last O. And it becomes defraisi. Defraisi.
They were impressed with me, 30 seconds,
I agree. I agree. Or I'm agreeing.
Dwi'n cytuno. Dwi'n cytuno.
Da iawn. I am singing or I sing?
Dwi'n canu.
Canu. I slept.
Cysgysau.
Tasgais.
Do you know what? I think you got it. You've got it cracked. By George,
It's very
you
interesting
got
that
it.
leap though from here with the board and the blocks in front of you to being raw
Then see not.
in a room
I
trying to
agree with
conjure up those blocks.
Yeah, ti'n
I
iawn.
agree with that.
Ti'n iawn, ti'n
Yeah,
iawn.
that's okay.
Ond,
Leap of faith.
What's that mean, ti'n iawn?
ti'n iawn, you're right. Because here, it's about like, oh, I can see the jigsaw and you, yes.
Yeah, when you like...
Ond, pan dych chi allan yn y byd go iawn in the real world, it's like that immediacy of wanting to... So, beth dych chi angen neud ydy credu, believe, credu, yn eich greddf, okay? So, trust your instinct, iawn? Ymddiried, trust your instinct. Achos very often, you've got little idioms. So how do we say, the sun is setting?
Mae'r haul wedi marw.
Yeah, so the sun has set, sorry. Mae'r haul wedi marw, right? So there, you're not saying to yourself, right, I need to say that it has happened in the past. So I need a wedi in there. Because we've already used what they call as chunking. So when you chunk language, which is why this is all written in this form, because your brain processes information. It doesn't process information linearly like this. It processes information in chunks. So we've already chunked it for you to help your subconscious and your brain. So here, if you look, the little bits are in bold there. So that's an even further chunking process to help your brain absorb it. So because these patterns are familiar, like, oh, mae'r haul wedi machlud, or bydd trigolion y llan. No, that's not ringing any bells. But bydd, you're not going, okay, it will be kind of thing. Yeah? The residents or the inhabitants, or I'm not happy. Yeah, so remember yesterday? We ddim yn hapus. So there, you're not saying, right, I need to use the present tense and it's negative because I'm not. So you don't go through the process. What you're doing there is you're trusting your instinct. Like, you know, don't feel happy, so you go, dwi ddim yn hapus. Because you know it. It's in there. It's yn y system. Ond, beth sy'n ddefnyddiol, what's handy, beth sy'n ddefnyddiol ydy, mae hwn is just gives you that deeper understanding so that when you do need to manipulate it yourselves and go, do you know what, I want to say this now, you have the tools because you just have to kind of pause and go, but now you might need these tools. By tomorrow, you won't even think, you'll just go, cysges i'n dda neithiwr. I slept well last night. Cysges i'n dda. Credais i. Cysges I slept. Cysges i'n dda. I slept well. Cysges ti'n dda? Yeah, exactly. So if you want to ask the question, did you sleep? Cysges ti'n dda? Exactly. So then you'll start, you might pass somebody and you'll go, did you have a good night last night? Dawnsiais i. I danced. And you're like, so constantly what happens is you will go, I just said that, I don't know where it came from. But it goes in, it's about the layers all the time. So we paint something on, and then we sand it all down again, and then you paint another layer on, and then you sand it down. So you very often don't know where it's come from. You're like, mae'r haul wedi machlud, or dwi'n byw yn y goedwig. You don't go through the process. In the same way, you accept coed, is trees. The word for forest is coedwig, right? How do we say I live in the forest? Exactly. So you say, dwi'n byw yn y goedwig.
What? Dwi'n byw yn y goedwig? Silence from him.
I know. No, I just want to see if you all knew where it was. Nobody's had to say it this trip, have they? Except me.
But what's amazing is...
Just to remind you, dwi'n byw yn y goedwig, yeah? All got it?
Right.
Team player. Well,
You haven't said it for the last.
When you didn't say it then, the words had no meaning for you. It was like the sun had stopped, God was no longer in his heaven.
But what was weird is I didn't say it, and everyone noticed I didn't say it. Everyone scowled at me. I remember it. Are you alright? Yeah, what's going on?
Now, yn Gymraeg, what's happened there is, there's probably one of the most complex grammatical rules we have is that after the word the, a singular feminine noun has a soft mutation, okay? So the word coedwig becomes goedwig. But whatever, because you know that it sounds right. So you say goedwig. So in the future, you'll say goedwig. Whereas maybe people who just learn the, as in and coedwig, as in forest, will say coedwig. And it kind of makes people go, oh, that sounds wrong. Because it's goedwig.
That this is an old language, but
Yeah.
it may not have been written down for a long time. So when they wrote it down, it makes more sense. Do you know what I mean? Than English and all that. I might be totally wrong, but because it is so phonetic.
Ti'n iawn?
Wikipedia.
Na, mae'n wir.
No, I haven't looked on Wikipedia.
Na, mae'n wir, achos it was an oral tradition. There was a big oral tradition yn Gymraeg. Storytelling and the whole, you know, like, yn y llys, and, you know, and it wasn't kind of ti'n iawn. And it was Brythonic, so it changed. It changed from Brythonic into other Celtic languages, kind of like 5th century. So mae'n hen, you're right. But the mutations are there to actually help you, you know, I helpu ti. So it's easier to say, goedwig. So anyway, basically what I'm saying is, you're doing amazing. Iawn? Da iawn chi, ar ddarfod. Da iawn. Reit te, os gennym ni amser I ddechrau tudalen 5, faint o'r gloch ydy hi, time check bach?
Dyna di.
5-2, dyna ni, no way! Oh, okay. Canu. Gwgw. Gwgw to finish, gwgw I orffen. Rwan, mae Caroline angen dysgu, she needs to learn, myfanwy. Lovely. So maybe we'll do a little bit, I know it's a bit miserable. We might do a little bit of myfanwy. I haven't got a copy now, but I'll get a copy for tomorrow. No'n ni wneud myfanwy fory, iawn?
Caroline, and Wayne's going to sing as well tomorrow, and Caroline with the piano, you know, all listening, nice.
Lle mae'r
It's a bit
gwcw?
up to you tomorrow, isn't it? Duet. Yeah, you do.
Iawn. O'r gore. Ar eich traed. O'r ddychwel.
Jinx again.
Okay.
Stand by.
1, 2, 3. Wrth ddychwel tuag adref mi glywais gwgwlon. Oedd newydd groes i'r moroedd i'r ynys fechan hon. Holiac I gia, holiac gwgw. Holiac I gia, holiac gwgw. Holiac I gia, holiac gwgw. Holiac I gia,
See, it doesn't end. Finish it.
I agree with that.
I can't hear it myself.
Next verse.
A chwchw gynta'r tymor ag anau yn y coed. Rhifaf dar gwgw gyntaf ag anodd gynta'r ioedd. Holiac I gia, holiac gwgw. Holiac I gia, holiac gwgw. Holiac I gia, holiac gwgw. Holiac I gia, Oh, we'll just go back to this version, yeah? Okay. Oh, no, it doesn't sound right. Okay. Penalty. Mi droes yn ôl I chwilio a glasgoed yn y ffrwyn. I edrych trwy'n y brigau lle oedd y deryn mwyn. Holiac I gia, holiac gwgw. Holiac I gia, holiac gwgw.
That's weird. It is weird, I agree.
Oh, scratching with it. It's like, finish off the octave, please.
It's true.
Mi gerddais nes y chwelyd o dan fy medw bren, ac yna roedd y gwcw yn canu wyth y men.
Wait for it.
Finish the octave on this last one now.
You can finish the octave.
O diolch I ti gwcw, ei bod ni am y cwrdd. Mi sychais I fy llygaid, a gwcw aeth I ffwrdd.
Finish it.